Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm so excited because I'm using an old palette that no one ever talks about, and I was just going through my makeup collection deciding what makeup look I wanted to do today, and this made me so inspired to do this smoky eye look. I am going to be using the Naked Urban Decay Smoky palette. So if you do not have your hands on this palette, I think it's still available to purchase. If it is, I'll link it down below. If it's not, I do apologize, but you can certainly achieve this look using any of these colors that I'm going to mention in this video. So yeah, I'm so excited about this. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like eyeshadow and makeup tutorials, and please don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you will not miss any future uploads. So without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay primer potion. I'm still using my little sample here. I'm going to try to use the colors that are in here. So I'm going to go in with the color Comfort and place that all over my lid. I'm using the brush that comes in this palette. This palette is a really nice palette. It just, I feel like it's underrated. But we shall see. This is my first time using this. So being as though it doesn't really have any like transitional shades, I'm gonna take my bronzing powder or my MAC Darkest Deep Mineralized Skin Finish and just put a little bit of this in my crease. Just making sure that I blend that very well. And now I'm gonna take this pencil like by a Vintage Smoky Eye Pencil. It's in jet black. It looks like that. The pencil looks like this. And I'm gonna put just a little bit on top of that primer. And we can always go back and just clean up any mess. So now, after I put that pencil all over my lid, I'm gonna set it with the eyeshadows in here. I'm gonna go in with Black Market. I'm just going to pat that all on my lid. And I'm using the smaller end of the brush that came in there because I just want to just pack it on there without making too much of a mess. And I'm taking the bigger end and I'm just going to blend it upward so it doesn't have a harsh line. Taking my same blending brush that I use for the transitional shade with nothing on it and just blending it all in. That's the thing about a smoky eye or any eyeshadow period. You definitely gotta like blend, but for sure with the smoky eye, you definitely want to blend as much as possible. I'm gonna go in with Whiskey, this brown shade, and just pop a little bit of that at the top in the crease. And that's pretty much it for the top of the eye. I'm going to clean this up. So I'm going to pop on some lashes and we're going to come back and do the rest of the face. Alright, so lashes are on. I went in with the, put it back in here, the Salon Perfect Go Glam Multi-Pack lashes. These are the Demi Wispy ones. So not too dramatic, but just a little. Alright, and now we're going to go in with my primer. I'm just debating on which primer to use. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, just because it is silicone free, and I'm gonna be using a matte foundation. So I'm gonna go in with this primer. I already moisturized my skin before doing the eyeshadow look. So using matte foundations for me, I like to be as glowy or as moisturized as possible. And now I'm gonna go in with the COVERGIRL True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I'm going to go in with this today. And you guys, I have a review up on my channel using this foundation. I'll link that down below. With my sponge, it's damp because I don't want too much of a coverage. And now I'm going to go in with my SEPHORA Gel Serum Concealer. I have really been liking this concealer. And on top of that, because I'm being extra, I'm gonna go over it with my Tarte Shape Tape, just a little bit. Now to set this, I'm going in with an oldie but goodie, my Airspun Naturally Neutral Translucent Powder. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Darkest Deep Mineralized Skin Finish to bronze up my face. And going in with a little bit of blush, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Blush in Lovejoy. You guys know that this is my favorite. Going back to the bottom lash line, I'm gonna take Danger and mix it with Black Market and put that on the bottom lash line. Going in my inner tear duct, I'm gonna go in with eye, and I am gonna wet it with some setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And with my Cork lip liner by MAC. And now I'm gonna go in with the Sephora lip cream in the number 2. It's like this nude color. I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss in the middle. This is the MAC lip glass in the color See Through. I have to put my highlighter on. Hold on. Let me let my hair down and come back to you guys with the finished look. And this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this smoky eye tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more eye makeup tutorials. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.